Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working in my micro memory planner. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen some of these little spreads. Like for this one, I use the EXO collection from my shop. It's like the Valentine's Day collection. So kind of my style for this micro memory planner right now. Like I'm just putting little moments. Oh, and this is one of those DIY embellishments I made a long time ago. And I just cut my picture and stuck it on top of that embellishment. But the way I'm doing this little album, or little planner album, whichever one you want to call it, I'm just adding like little moments. This is not like my full memory planning. Just little moments here and there. And I'm not doing a whole lot of journaling. I do have little spots where I'm going to tuck the journaling, but I haven't added the journaling yet. I may come back later, or I may never add the journaling. I don't think I shared this one on Instagram. But it just has little moments in here. Let's see. Oh, and this is how I'm using all those little DIY embellishments. They're kind of winding up in this album. And I think I shared this one on Instagram. But the plan with these little die cuts is to come and write little journaling and little notes on the back of each die cut. So that's what I have so far. So I'm going to be working on little spread today. And like I haven't like decided on my full memory planning for this year. I'm not really into Project Life right now. I don't know. So I'm not sure if it'll be this, but I'll come up with something. And I'm considering doing like the memory planning in a planner. I just don't know what size yet. So let's get into this layout. So for this layout, I am just documenting. This is a little picture of some items from my shop. So I'm just documenting that. That's not a big moment. No. I don't know. I just want to have this little stuff. It's no like huge, no huge stories. So the things that require a bigger story, they may go into a separate memory planner. So I think I'm going to start on this side first. All right, I want to put that right there. So here is the completed layout. Is my little layout. And like I said, it is not my full memory keeping system, but I hope you enjoy these little process videos. So this one is just documenting the update in my shop. I added a lot of different little things, these little coffee cups, the washi tapes, a lot of different things. So I'll leave the link in the description. Go check it out and stay tuned for my next process video.